Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to connect your interface to your laptop and monitor speakers, and then so you can also connect your instruments, microphone into your interface and having the sound come out of your monitor speakers or external speakers. So yeah, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so to connect the interface to your laptop and to your speakers, so then you can connect your instruments or microphone and have the sound come out of your speakers. So in my interface I have a power supply, and the power supply, it looks like this. So I connect that to my interface, and the other end is a USB cable, and I connect that to my laptop. Then, let's turn that off for now. I have a cable that connects from my interface to my speakers. So I'll show you what kind of cable I have, and I will also have it linked down below, the name and where you can buy it. So on one end is the RCA, and on the other end are these two. So here I will turn around the monitor speaker. I'll put the red one in the red, so it's right. So the red is on the right side, and the black one I will put on the white, the left side. So on the interface it says right and left. So if I put the red one on the speakers to the right, so this red one will go also to the right, and the black one will go on the left one. It says right and left right there. So now the interface is connected to the laptop, the interface is connected to the monitors, and now we need to connect the monitors to our laptop, and obviously plug in the power supply. How I have my monitors is with this cable. Obviously you will make this all neat so there won't be wires everywhere, but one end is headphone jack and the other end is headphone jack. So you plug in into the front where it says aux in, and in the other, on the laptop, you'll plug in where the headphones are. Now we'll turn the speaker on and we will see if this works. And it does. I will link down below the two cables that I have here, and this is just the power supply of the interface. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and press your bell icon. And thanks for watching. Bye.